Visual of a vast green forested area surrounded by mountains and a clear blue sky. On-screen text, Skagway, Alaska. Images of railway tracks and a green and yellow train pulling traditional passenger carts through a forested landscape. On-screen text, White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad. A visual of the White Pass and Yukon Route logo at the caboose of the train, followed by visuals of a forested landscape with river passes, a train conductor looking off into the wilderness, and a viewpoint of the railroad tracks as the train pulls away. Visuals of a snow-covered rocky stream, followed by lush green forests as the train rides through the pass. Snow-capped mountains surround the backdrop. On-screen text, White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad. Princess Cruises logo appears. On-screen text, Princess Cruises come back new. Visit princess.com, call 1-800-PRINCESS, or call your travel advisor.